Going to discuss the English poetry and the related topics. I'm going to discuss the real life poetry, actual poetry. As everyone should know that literary works have the effect of society, either religious, social, political or cultural. Here in my topic there is a religious and worthy area of study, and this area of study is the book, holy book, Quran.e.pak. As I have discussed that I am going to discuss literary genre of poetry, so let me told you that I will leave you curious here so that you will keep thinking about how the Holy Quran is poetry. As I have told you that I will cover inshallah this genre of poetry, and I will inshallah explain the each and every verse of Quran.e.pak with its translation from Arabic to Urdu and English as well, and also that how it is poetry either in prose form or in poem form. So please wait for my next video. I will upload it for you, and I need a lot of prayers, subscription from your side, and like and comment as well. So goodbye viewers, Allah Hafiz, keep waiting for my